Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy VLAUNCH crypto token VPAD on Phemex. If you don't have an account on Phemex, you can register from my link in the description and you will get a $100 welcome bonus. When you have an account, you can get logged in and you can go to assets and you can go to spot wallet. I'm already inside my spot wallet right here. I also have some USDT available, which we will need in order to buy the VPAD token. If you have USDT on other exchanges, you can just click on deposit. Make sure you select the right network when you send the USDT from other exchanges to the Phemex exchange. Else your cryptocurrency can get lost. You can also buy crypto with credit card or a bank transfer, so you decide whatever you want to do. I deposited from Binance exchange to Phemex with USDT. When you have USDT available, you can look for the search box right here. Then you can type in VPAD and then you can see VPAD VLAUNCH and then you can click on trade. And when you are inside trade, you can see place order, you can see the order book, and you can see buy right here, you can see limit. The easiest way is to click on market. And when you select market, the market will find the lowest or best average price for you, so you don't have to care about that. Then you can just decide how much USDT you want to spend. So let's say I want to spend my entire USDT balance, then I can click on 100%. You can see 25%, 50%, 75%. I will keep it on 100%. Then I will click on buy VPAD. I would suggest you have a bit more than 10 USDT available because you will need a minimum amount of 10 USDT. And I can't seem to get a good price to actually make my order go through. But anyways, if you have, let's say 11 USDT available, then you will probably find a good price for you. I can't match it right now. Then you should see your order under order history whenever you have completed your order through the market order right here. And then you will find it back inside the spot wallet, your VPAD tokens. If you want to sell it, you can just do the same thing, but you look for the sell tab right here. So you can click on sell, then you can keep it on market if you want, and then you can select an amount of VPAD tokens that you want to sell, and then you will see how much USDT you will receive for your sell order. And that's how you buy the VLAUNCH VPAD token on Phemex. Hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want more cryptocurrency tutorials. Else, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.